Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making lemon bars. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need, for the crust, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. For the filling, you'll need 4 eggs, 3/4 cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, 2/3 cup of lemon juice, and confectioner's sugar for your topping. In your mixing bowl, cream together the butter and 1 cup of sugar. Now add the lemon zest and salt and continue to mix until well combined. Now slowly add the flour and continue to mix until your mixture has a crumb-like consistency. Place the crust in the bottom of a 10 by 10 lined pan. Transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, flour, lemon juice, and sugar. Transfer the filling to the pan and cook for an additional 20 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes. After your bars have cooled, sprinkle with the confectioner's sugar, cut into squares, and now they are ready to serve. These lemon bars are tart, sweet, and have a buttery crust. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.